Yes, good evening, all of you. Can you hear my voice? Yes, okay. Now just wait. Give me 2 minutes. First, I'll send you the PDF. Okay. Can you see the screen? What about screen? Is it? Yeah, you can see. Just wait. Okay. I send you the YouTube link also. Someone the class Mondays are there. Please tell the students to join. Just put a message in the group, please. Listen, A division, G division, B division, I sent you the PDF of probability notes. Okay. After I explain today, you can go through it. There are questions, few questions today we'll discuss, remaining questions tomorrow. Okay. Therefore, you can write and keep it in your notebook, the questions. There are 11 questions are there, but subdivisions are there. Okay. C division, anyone is there? Just tell me, do you need notes? You can take it from B or A. C division, Jayesh. C division students, please send, type your number. Yes. Jayesh? Yeah, there are in online this one. Okay. Good evening, Geeta, Preeti, Mansi, everyone that those are in YouTube. Okay. I'll send you the notes for your C division also. Chinmay. Okay, Chinmay. In your class, I'll send it in the group. Okay. Yeah. I'll just revise and then we'll go to it. Okay, clear. Even class also, G division, I don't know how many of them are there. C511, Geeta. Okay. G, Dheeraj. Oh. Yeah, it is 6:10. Okay, already we'll start now. Please listen. Last class, which I explained to you, G division students in the class. Okay, fine. Will do. Listen to me first. When I discussed the probability, I told you in the class B and A division class also, which I explained the first students just for few minutes. A and B, it is a repetition, but C and G, it is again I'm telling you. But we already discussed in online lecture, but again I'm repeating that one. Here we learned few words: random, experiment. Okay, random experiment, the meaning is that whenever you are going to do an experiment, an action, before that you don't know what is the result. After performing that action or after experiencing that experiment, you will come to know what is your answer, what is your result. Such kind of experiments are called as random experiment. For example, whenever you are going to toss a coin, you are tossing a coin. Okay, that means tossing a coin. While doing that, before that you don't know you are going to get head or tail. Okay, here this head or tail are two results, that means two answers. When you going to toss the coin, you will get either head or tail, correct? Therefore here this head and tail are the answers, or otherwise it is the result. But in case of probability, we will call it as outcome. Okay, after the experiment you are getting, that is the outcome. Okay, what is that outcome? Head or tail. Now listen, this head or tail, all possible outcomes are called sample space. What it is called? Sample space. And inside the sample space, these are called as sample point. Okay, that is X. First you need to know what is the meaning of an experiment. Check it, which are the experiment, which are the action you are doing. Tossing a coin, throwing a die. Okay, you are removing one card from the pack of card. That you are doing one action, right? Suppose you are going to select one pen from your pouch. You are means otherwise one balloon from the box. There are many different balloons are there. You are going to pick up one balloon. Okay. Before picking, you don't know which one you are going to do. The same way. There are different types of actions which we are going to discuss now. And then one is, second point is sample space. Sample space means set of all possible outcomes. Means all possible answers, all possible result. Okay. When you are going to throw that die, you know that on the top face, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, only that numbers, right? It can come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, this is a sample space for you are throwing a die. Okay. Now here, no chance for getting. Suppose if you are going to throw the die, you never get the sample space as 7 because this is impossible. Chance ही नहीं है, 7 तो नहीं आएगा because it is already in that phase of that cube. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 तक है. Okay, therefore that is called as an impossible event. What is an event? Now that is a very next question. Sample space के बाद event. Event means you need a particular answer. You need a particular result. That is called as event. Now, for suppose you are playing the Ludo. Okay. If you want to start the game, two people are A and B. They have decided when it is going to be start. Suppose you are going to get 1. एक आएगा तो player A is starting the game. If 1 comes, player B is starting the game. That means here in this sample space inside 1, that means here this one is called an event. This is a particular event, particular answer, particular outcome. Therefore here A, capital A can be represented by a event. Now suppose B, someone is deciding that A, B is a player. Okay, don't confuse it. This is event A, this is event B. Suppose you are deciding 6, if you get, you are going to start the game. Then 6 is another event, B equal to 6. Okay. Now I'm telling another event, C. C means all odd numbers. My event is what? C. C is all odd numbers. Odd numbers means here see, 1 is an odd number. Okay. 3 is an odd number. Another one. And next here, 5 is an odd number. 5. That means my event C contains how many sample points? 3 sample points. A, the event A contains only 1 sample point, correct? And event B contains only 1, and event C contains what? 3 sample points. That means number of sample point is called as N of, suppose N of C. If I'm going to write, that is 3. Because why it is 3? There are 3 sample points. Now case of A, what is N of A? N of A equal to 1. What is N of B? N of B equal to 1. Okay. Therefore, I discuss with you. Yes, I discuss with you random experiment. I discuss with you sample space, all possible outcomes. Inside the sample space, it is called as sample point. Number of sample point, we are going to write of N of S. Now, for example, for this one, that means tossing the coin. What are the sample space number? Head and tail, right? What is N of S? Here it is 2. Suppose you are throwing a die. What is your sample space number? N of X is equal to 6. Therefore, once you get a question, you check that what is your random experiment. Step number 1. What is your random experiment? Step number 2. What is the sample space of that random experiment? Then write what is N of S. Sample space hai to automatically N of S aayega. Now see what probability. They ask you that probability of getting head. Getting head means only a particular answer. Therefore, that is an event. Now you decide what is your event. Once you decide that event, automatically number of event you will write. These 3 things are ready. You can write the answer of probability of anything, because the probability, the formula it is. Okay, what is the probability formula? Now, see, probability of A. A means a particular event. What is the answer? N of A divided by N of S. It is a very easy formula. What is the probability of A? N of A divided by N of S. That means if you want to find the probability of any event, you should know what is the number of event, number of points in A, and number of points in the sample space. Once this is ready, your answer is completed. That means probability of B, how do you write? N of B divided by N of S. Denominator same, sample space. That random experiment ka sample space. Is it clear, all of you? This is what I explained before. We very detailed, we explained. Good evening, good evening. Yes, hello, Hansa, Sheikh, everyone. Is it clear? Now, can we discuss each one questions? Okay. Before that, I'll show you the sample space examples like note. Okay. Here we discuss. See some examples. I have written that. Okay. Tossing a coin. What is your sample space? H and T. Therefore, what is number of S? 2. Right. Okay. This is there in your note. Don't write now. Notes I already shared. You can go through it. Tossing 2 coins. एक coin नहीं है, 2 coins simultaneously. मतलब this is your random experiment. आप लोग this experiment you are doing, this action you are doing. 2 coins simultaneously toss कर रहे हैं. Then chances क्या है? 2 coin है, head आ सकते हैं, head tail आ सकते हैं. Like that way, what is your sample space? This is maximum possible outcome. Therefore, what is number of S? 4. Okay. Now, third, you are throwing how many points? Sorry, how many coins? 3 coins. Correct? 3 coins here too. Okay. If you are throwing 3 coins, then what is that? Number of S, number of A likha hai, just correct it. Number of S is equal to 8. Okay. That means 3 coins. One is head, next is head, again head. H, H, H. Then H, H, T aa sakta hai. H, T, H aa sakta hai. H, T, T. Now you have to by heart this one. You know that it is very easy. It's logically you can write, not by hearting, but you should know how to write it because a question aega. You are tossing the coins, 3 coins simultaneously. You have to write what is N of S. Okay. Therefore, here T either add kiya, T inside came, 2T, here 1 T, H, H, T, H, T, 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 H, T, T, T. That is N of S equal to 8. Now you are going to throw a die. That is S is equal to this. Clear? Now suppose this is only 1 die, okay? 2 die. You are tossing 2 die. Means 2 dice you are throwing. That means your sample space ke andar kya aega? 1 die 1, another die 1, 1 die 1, another die 2. Like this way it will come. Therefore, today your homework is for you. Okay? Remember it. Just try to write sample space of sample space when you throw 2 die together. I'll discuss with you tomorrow. Okay, just try all of you. Means 2 die you are throwing. Matlab 1 1 aega, 1 1, that is a chance. 1 1 2, there is a chance. 1 3, there is a chance. एक में 2 आएगा, 1 आएगा. Therefore, that way, think about it. मतलब ordered pairs में लिखो, ऐसे लिखो. 1 1 1 2, like this way. Then how many total is going to come? Okay, मैंने इधर extra dot डाला है और dot fill करके आ जाओ कल. What is the question? Whenever you are going to throw 2 die together, what is going to be your sample space? Clear? All will do. What about those who are on YouTube? I'll discuss with you tomorrow that question. Okay, sample space. Okay, yeah. Now, next, suppose, yeah, this is the way also sample space can come. See, 20 screws are inspected and a number of good screws. Like, एक box के अंदर 20 screw and other way some pen, some if you are talking about some pen, some eraser, some scale, or something like that way, some balloons kind of thing. Therefore, how do you write it that way? Sample space is equal to, because here it is not a good number of good screw, not, that means 0 aayega udhar. 1, 2, 3, 20. That means 0 screws are good, 1 screw is good, 2 screws, like this. Okay. If you're going to take the tokens or the numbers for a housey game, okay, that means you will get 1, 2, 3 up to 100, right? This is the way. So this is the way also you can write some of the cases. You are going to write the sample space. Is it clear? All of you. Yes. Now I'll explain to you one more thing. We'll not explain, we'll discuss the notes. These are the notes which I shared with you. Explanation hai down. I think there are questions. I don't know where it is. Yeah, this is the questions. Okay. On top, explanation, and down this one. Now here one more things I need to discuss with you. Just see. A pack of cards, which card game you're doing, right? Here the normally card consists of 52 minimum card. 53 bhi ho sakte, 54 also, because that joker 58. But we are normally consider a pack of cards that is 52 cards. 52 cards ke andar there are 26 red card and 26 black card. Correct? There are two colors, red and black. You should know this thing, okay? While doing. Now, red and black. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Red, there are two different shapes. One is heart shape and one is diamond shape. Okay. Here there is a heart shape. Mine, it is not good while doing it. Okay. Then it is diamond shape. Okay. That is red color. Red color, two colors are there. Shape is not exactly that. Okay. Can you just hold 1 second? Hello. No, class would come. Very good diagram. Sorry. Okay. Now here, club, that is black card. Club means like this way one structure is going to come, right? Yeah, club. And spade, all will think that what kind of a structure is what I am going to do. Spade card. Like this way. Okay. These are the different. Yeah, it is looking good. Thank you. Thank you. I know that how it is looking. Okay. But see, at least you come to know. No, that is the thing. Heart, diamond. How many heart cards are there? 13. How many diamond cards are there? 13. How many club cards are there? 13 and 13. That means all 4 13s, it is going to be 52. Clear? Now, inside the this one cards, there are face card. Means it's a picture card, right? Picture is there. What is jack? One is queen, one is king. That means every shape, heart shape, there are 3 face card, right? Face card bol sakte hain, nahi to picture card bol. Therefore, that means there are 4 shapes. Therefore, total face card is how many? 3 into 4, that is 2. This much knowledge you should have. I know that you are playing with the cards. I don't know if you know cards I'm talking, the normal cards. 52, 52 में 2 colors hai, red and black. Red, there are 2 shape, heart and diamond. And black, there are 2, that is, what is that? Club and spade. Okay. Therefore, 13 each shape. Face card is jack, queen, king. There are 3 face card for 1 shape inside the shape. That means there are 4 shapes are there. Therefore, 3 into 4, that is 12. 12 space card. Clear? Now it is on the screen. Event have this thing. Please read that one. Now I'll ask you a question for you. Event. Yes. Any doubt, please ask me. Can we start with the question? Okay. Yes. Okay. First question, I think I already discussed with you. This is question number 1. Those who want, you can write the question number 1. I'll discuss with you again. Those who are not written, please write. See, examination, it is very easy actually. Once you know the concept of probability, any questions you can do. Can you give me 2 minutes? I'll just come back, okay? Just read the question. What happened? Screen gone. Can you see the screen now? Yeah. Fine. Okay. Yes. Now, question number 1. We are discussing one. There are 11 questions. Are there? Practice that questions. Okay. YouTube. Oh, sorry, wait a second. YouTube link is gone. Yes. Okay. Now see here. Students, please switch off your videos. Okay. Yeah. Here, question number 1. See here. What is the question? An unbiased coin is tossed. That means what action you are doing, that is your random experiment. Clear? Then probability of getting, that means probability of inside, that is called as your event. That is called as your event. What do you want to find? The answer. That means probability of what? That is your event. Now there are different questions like probability of getting a head. Therefore, this is event A. Probability of getting a tail. This is event B. Probability of neither of this. Okay, that is event C. This is the way you are going to consider the question. Clear? That means once you read starting part, they normally describe your action or experiment. It is called as random experiment. Therefore, what I have given here, written, given that random experiment. What is a random experiment? Tossing a coin. Because once you know what is the event, automatically you can write what is the sample space. What is the sample space? A coin toss karna. what is the all possible outcome? That is H and T. That means sample space is equal to H comma T and number of H is equal to 2. Okay, therefore you are written. Correct? Yeah. Therefore next, yes, 2. Now we are writing. We are taking 1 by. Therefore, starting the question, just write what is random experiment and what is sample space. Therefore, these two are common thing for all the question. A, B, C के लिए common part क्या है? Random experiment लिखो and sample space लिखो. Clear? Okay. Now, next. First part, getting ahead. See, I have written getting ahead. Here I already completed. That's why getting ahead. Therefore, you are taking an event. You are deciding that is your event A. Let event A equal to getting ahead. What is the complete sentence? Getting ahead while tossing the coin. Okay. Therefore, what is A? What is A inside will come? Only head, right? You want only head. That means I have written here A equal to H. Therefore, what is N of A? A is H. That what is N of A? N of A is equal to 1. Okay, N of A is equal to 1. Now we are writing the probability of getting ahead. That is a question. Probability of getting ahead. What is the probability of getting ahead? That is equal to P of A. P of A kaisa aaya? Because A is an event, we define that getting ahead. Okay, while tossing the coin. Therefore, what is the formula? Formula is this. Those who are not written, please complete it. P of A equal to N of A divided by N of S. That is equal to 1 upon 2. 1 is what? Number of A. Number of S. What is that? 2. That is 0.5. Completed first part. Because this already we discussed, that's why. Yes. Okay. Second question. Can I discuss? Second. Yes. Second question. What is that? Yes. Here, you are going to get a tail. That means getting a tail. So I have written here, first we took A, right? Now we are taking B. Let event B. What is event B? Getting a tail while tossing the coin. Therefore, what is B? You can write B equal to set T, correct? What is number of B? That is equal to 1. B equal to T, number of B is equal to 1. Therefore, probability of getting a tail. Probability of, how to write probability of means P. This part is P. This is P. Getting a tail is B. That means P of B. P of B is equal to N of B divided by N of S formula. That is equal to, again, what is N of B? 1. N of S 2. That is 0.5. Okay. Therefore, for getting a tail, for getting a head, both answer is 1 by 2. That means you know that 50-50 chance bolte hain hum log. Correct? While your cricket captain is tossing that coin, it's winning the toss. Normally we'll say that 50% chance. 50% kaise aata hai? Because you see, here I have already explained that one. 50 means 50% means 50 divided by 100. Cancel karke dekho, that is 1 by 2. That is for getting a head, chances 1 by 2. Okay. Last question, last part. Last one. Neither of this. That means no head, no tail. Normally, the unbiased coin means it is not a biased one. That means it is a proper shape. proper head and tail will come. Therefore, there is no chance that you never get it head or tail. Correct? Once you toss the coin, either you will get head or tail. Therefore, this is called as which event? This is called as impossible event. वो तो possibly नहीं है. Head आएगा नहीं तो tail आएगा. ऐसा condition नहीं है. It is going to stand like this way. Okay. It is called as impossible event. Therefore, probability of impossible event. Any event which is impossible है तो what is the answer? 0. The third question, what is the answer? That is 0. Therefore, complete that. Now we will start doing one by one question, because till this what I explained already, and it was a revision kind of thing for you, and we are doing it. Question number 2. Can I show you question number 2? Please write the question 2, all of you. Yes, now I'll explain to you. Wait. Here, what is the question? The question is, 2 unbiased coins are tossed. This is your random experiment. Therefore, first write, given that, what is your random experiment? Explain. 2 unbiased coins are tossed. Full stop. Okay. Now write your sample space. Sample space yes equal. You are tossing 2 coins, right? Therefore, sample space we discussed already, that is h comma h आएगा, then h comma t आएगा, t comma h आएगा, last t comma t. Am I right? Sample space is h comma h comma t, t comma h, and t comma t. Correct? Now sample space is written. Write what is number of s. How many points are there? Sample points are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, answer is 4. Underline and keep it. Correct? Yeah. Therefore, starting part is finished. This is for all the question like A, B, C. Number of sample space is equal to 4. Clear? Okay. Now you are going to take first question. Okay. What is the first question? Both head. That means both head here. You will take, this is your event A. Both tails, that is your event B. One head and one tail, that is your event C. Therefore, there are 3 events, right? A, B, C. You want to find the probability of A, probability of B, and probability of C is the entire question. Okay. Therefore, now we are taking first part, A. What is A? While tossing the 2 unbiased coins are tossed, forgetting both head. Okay. Now you will write that. One second, my cursor is not. Okay. For getting both head, right? Yeah. Now we are writing let A be the event getting both head. If you toss the coin, both it should be head. That means what is your A? A के अंदर क्या आएगा? Now see possible outcomes. What is possible outcome? HH, HT, TH, TT. Therefore here what is both head? Only one. Here H and H, H and T. एक head है, एक tail है. Tail है, H. Both the tail are. Therefore A inside what will come? A inside it is only going to come H and H. Right? So what is N of A? N of A equal to 1. Is it clear? N of S 4 hai, N of A 1 hai, because both head, right? Yeah. Yes. Now we are going down part. What is that? What do you want to find? Therefore N of S is ready, N of A is ready, then you can find therefore probability of getting both head, that is P of A equal to probability of means P, getting head means that is A, therefore P of A. P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. The answer is N of A 1 divided by N of S 4. Therefore, what is the answer? 1 upon 4. Yeah. If you are writing 1 upon 4 also, it's okay. Otherwise, 0.25 you can change to decimal. Okay, finish. Completed writing part. Can we discuss second question? I think I would have given you another question. Here is the same type one question given, but anyhow, we will do it. B. What is B? For getting both tail. This is same as head, correct? Yeah, because here getting tail is your event. Therefore write down. One second, I'll do some arrangement for my table. Therefore write let we are taking another one. B be the event. What is the event? Getting both tail. Okay. Therefore both tail, what is B? B equal to, you are getting both tail means T and T, right? Therefore here also what is N of B? N of B equal to 1. Okay. Yes. Please write, all of you. Don't sit and watch, please. If I'll ask you to open on your video, I want to see that you are writing. Write and keep questions, okay? Next, probability, therefore, T of getting both tail that is P of B equal to N of B divided by N of S. That is N of B is 1 and N of S is 4. The answer is again 1 upon 4. Yes. All of you write and keep it. So this is the same format for all the questions. Once you complete, tell me, then we will discuss next question. Can we go to the next? C. Yes, okay. C part. What is C part? C part is, what is the question? One head and one tail. What is that? One head and one tail. Okay. Now you take it, let C. Okay, capital letter. Event, take it as capital letters. Okay. C be the event. I'm writing same sentence for you to remember and write. Okay. What is that? This is your event, right? One head and one tail. One head and one tail. Therefore, now see the sample space. Check your sample space. In that sample space, see here, one head, one tail. This is one head, one tail. That means these two will come, right? C event. Okay. Therefore, you are going to write your C here. C equal to what will come? One head, one tail. This is one combination, H and T. First coin H, second coin T. Next, one T and one H. These are the two, right? Am I right? देश one H one T. एक हेड होना चाहिए, एक टेल होना चाहिए. HH TH HH HH जयेश you wrote HH repeat हुआ है. TT TH HH HH भी repeat है. 3 बार है. That means only 4. Okay. Yeah, mistake. Okay, fine. Yes. Okay. Now what is N of C? N of C equal to 2, right? How many sample points are there? 1, 2, that is 2. Now you are writing probability of getting one head and one tail. Okay. That is probability of C, because you are defined here, right? C equal to N of C divided by N of S, that is equal to. What is N of C? N of C is 2. What is N of S? That is 4. The answer is 1 upon 2. Yes, that is 0.5. So all of you, please write and keep. Because examination, this is 6 marks question. Question कैसे आएगा? 2 plus 2 plus 2. One question, it is 3 questions are going to be there. That is 1, 2 plus 2 plus 2. Clear? There are 2 questions from probability side. Yes. Completed? Okay. Now we are going to discuss question number 3. Can I pass to question number 3 now? Yes. Write all of you the question. Yes. Question finished? Yes. What is this? An unbiased die is thrown. Therefore, what is this? Your random experiment. Therefore, write down first that, given that random experiment. What is your random experiment? Explained. Random experiment is unbiased die. How many die? Only one die. Die is thrown. This is your random experiment now. Unbiased die is thrown. Okay. Now what you are going to do? We are going to write sample space. Sample space. Yes, equal to. What will come inside? एक die throw कर रहे. Ludo now we discussed already, right? Therefore sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is number of S? Equal to 6, right? This is your number of S. Yes, 6. N of X is equal to 6. Therefore, this is for starting part of all the questions, right? A, B, C. This much you want to write. What is your random experiment? What is your sample space? Completed? 1 second. Your screen will be in. Okay, fine. Is it clear screen? Now take one by one question. Okay. Your question is probability of getting. What probability of getting an odd number, an even number, a number greater than 6. That means this is your event, right? This is your event, an odd number, getting odd number. This is event A, event B, event C. Clear? Now we are going to write that one. We are going to write it. Question number 1. What is the question? Question number 8. Okay. Getting. My handwriting is not, because my position is not proper. That's the reason. Yeah. Getting an odd number, right? Odd number. Okay. Therefore, here you will take let A be an event. What is that event? Getting an odd number. Odd number. Yes. Now, what is A? Good. Dash A equal to. You want to get odd numbers. Odd numbers means here 1 aayega, odd number, 3 will come and 5 will come, right? Close the bracket. Now you can write what is N of A. N of A is equal to 3. That means you got the information N of A and N of S. Then you can write your answer. Final answer. What is the question? Probability of, therefore, probability of getting an odd number that is equal to probability of A equal to n of A divided by n of S. Okay, that is what is probability of A? 3 divided by 6. That is 3 से divide करेगा तो 1/2 आएगा. Answer is 0.5. Equal to 0.5. There are many people are silent today. All are sleeping. Yes, only Nikita, Jayesh and all participating. Sachin. Next question. Question number B. What is question number B? Can I discuss? Sharina. Sharin is also there. Remaining all are sitting and watching, I feel. Sign up. Okay. B. What is a B? What is the question B? An even number. That is you know now it is correct. Yeah. What is an even getting an even number? Yes, even number already answer is there. That means but you have to write like this way, okay? B the even. Now might be it is by heart for you because all the questions we are writing is the same as it is, correct? When even does even number. I'm just trying to follow the same way, okay? Therefore, you don't have any confusion. One question, you can write all. Okay, even number. B equal to, what are the even numbers? 2 aega, 4 aega, 6. That is n of B equal to 3. Therefore, probability of getting an even number Prathamesh, Siddesh. Okay, you all are giving. Okay, good. N of, what is that? Probability of B equal to n of B divided by n of S. Again 3/6, 1/3. The answer is 0.5. Nice, sorry. 1/2 now. What I have written. 3 nahi hai, 2 hai. The probability of getting an even number, that is also 1/2, and probability of getting an odd number, that is also an 1/2. Clear? Okay. Can we do next question? This is your already completed. What is your next question? A number greater than 3 means while you are tossing the coin, or uppermost face है ना, means top face में number कैसे होना चाहिए? More than 3, greater than 3. Okay, yeah. Now just write. What is C? Getting number greater than means more than 3. Be careful while this question, okay? There are two kinds of question. greater than 3 and greater than or equal to 3. I will tell you what is the difference. Okay. Now here only the thing you have greater than 3. So first take, let C be the event. What is the event? Greater than 3. Your written C be the event greater than 3. Okay. Yes, less than this type question also can come. Yes, can come. I'll discuss with you. Different questions can come in the same two questions. Okay, just wait. Okay. Now see here, your sample space is what? Your sample space is this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Greater than 3. Matlab, if you are tossing that, sorry, you are throwing the die, you are going to get more than 3. Okay, that is 4 आ सकता है, correct? 5 and 6. There are 3 chances. 4 can come, 5 can come, 6 can come. That means your C event is equal to, what is your C event? C equal to bracket में 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now before doing probability, please listen. Here the question is greater than 3. Suppose the question is greater than and equal to 3. Greater भी है, equal भी है. That time what is going to be C? C equal to 3 भी आएगा. 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? See the difference? Yeah. Greater than or equal to बोलेगा तो that number also you want to write and greater numbers. 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear that? Okay. Now suppose I'm telling you the question. Less than 2. Less than 2. ये तो क्या आएगा number? Only one. Correct, Sakshi. 1, right? Less than 2. Less than or equal to 2. Correct. Geeta, Kanchan, everybody right. Pooja right. Less than or equal to 2 आएगा तो Nikita right, Sakshi 1 and 2. Now clear हो गया? Means same experiment में they can ask you many different questions. Less than or equal to 2, less than or equal to 3, less than or equal to 6. But method is the same. You see what is the event? What is that sample points in the event? And divided by sample space. Okay. Therefore, this question completed. This is for this. Okay. N of C. What is N of C? 3. Therefore, probability of getting number greater than 3. That is P of C equal to N of C divided by N of S. That is how many numbers? 3 divided by 6. Again, the answer is coming 1 by 2, right? 0.5. Yes. Finish. Yes. Okay. Now I'm asking you a question. I'm asking the question. Tell me answer properly. Probability I'm asking. Probability. Okay. Probability of getting 4. Probability while throwing the coin. एक coin throw कर रहा है. Sorry, die throw कर रहा है. Then what is the probability of getting Probability means P bracket में getting 4. Think and give the answer. Easy है, but I'm not asking the sample space. मैंने क्या पूछ रहा है? Probability पूछ रहा है. Probability of getting the number is 4. Siddhant, think about it. Event क्या है? Sample space तो same है, divided by 6 correct है. Nikita, Sakshi, all of you, think once again. Event क्या है? The number which is getting 4. Ikra, think about it. Number which is getting 4. That is your event. Yes, now answer is coming. Fraction में लिखो, fraction में लिखो. No. There is no sorry. Never going to say sorry for that. Why I'm read? Because you are participating, you are thinking. Okay. Good thing. Once if you made a mistake, you are correcting it. That's don't worry. Don't feel bad even if you are giving wrong answer. You can correct it. Correct. Now it is correct. Now see here. Okay, very good. All of you. See. Because this confusion is there. Always know when you are asking. First of all, understand that whenever they're going to ask you probability, okay, probability of something, it will come in fraction first of all, right? Whatever fraction or otherwise decimal number. And answer can be any probability, anything event 0 और 1 के बीच में आएगा. Okay, that means decimal में convert करेगा तो 0.5, 0.7, 0.3 ऐसे आए. 0 आ सकता है, that is the impossible event. 1 भी आ सकता है, okay, but in between आएगा. Correct? Now, what I told you that, what is my question for you? For getting 4, right? Getting the number 4. Therefore, this is your event, right? Suppose if I'm going to write that is event D, this is your event. Getting 4 means only chance that 4, while throw that one 4, that means 4, correct? That is n of D equal to 1. But sometimes what happens? Getting number 4, you will write 4 only, number of D. That is wrong. So what is the answer? 1 divided by number of x is same, 1/6. Therefore, getting number 2, answer is 1/6. Getting number 3, what is the answer? 1/6. Getting number 1, what is the answer? 1/6. Is it clear? Yes? Clear ho gaya? Okay. Now, last question where we discussed, what was the question? Just a वो question क्या था? हाँ. Here, I'm asking you one question for you. Okay. Here, 2 coin you tossed, right? Okay. Both head I asked, both tail I asked, one head I asked, one tail I asked. Now, suppose I'm telling you getting both same face, same faces. What's the probability? That means here see both same आना चाहिए, मतलब H and H, T and T. That means here, that means you are going to get it H and T and T. Therefore, here your event is like this way. Therefore, what is the probability? That is 2 divided by 4. Answer is 1/2. Yes, good. 2 divided by 4. Clear? Therefore, these are the questions can come. Maximum, these are the different types of questions can come. Yeah, one more question here. If you want at least one head. Okay, that is gone. Okay, I'll discuss with you later. Or otherwise here, leave it. Now same thing. At least one head and all can come. And I'll discuss with you later. Okay, otherwise you'll be confused. Can we do one more sum and we'll finish it off? Time up. I think you want to go. 9. Now what is the time? 7:40. Okay. We'll wind up today and tomorrow I'll discuss with you. Tomorrow I'll definitely start by 6:05 and I'll take up to 7:30. Okay. Fine. Go and study. Go and practice it. Don't miss this chapter. Probability. Probability is a good chapter and it is easy. Okay then. See you tomorrow. The class random experiment and bye all of you. See you tomorrow for the lecture. A and B. What to omit for exam? Siddhant, what to omit for exam? Thank you, Nikita. Sure. You people also take care because nowadays everyone is getting. Siddhant, you asked me something. I don't get it. I don't understand. Yes, Sachin, complete the assignment. Okay. I know your number. I do remember that. Correct? Probability, don't omit. Don't omit. Please, exam mein aayega. Only assignment I omitted because I'm not completed that portion. But examination, unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4 kind of thing, all unit questions will come. No, you can't omit any of the unit. Compulsory hai, all unit. Okay. Yeah. And I'll discuss with you definitely the revision lecture also I'll conduct for you. That time you'll clear for that. Okay then. See you tomorrow. Bye all of you.